nose is white as snow white in moonlight. We're standing all in front of another brick at the door.
The state of Alabama has issued an emergency blue alert. The Alabama Law Enforcement Agency State Bureau of Investigation is asking for your assistance in locating Randy Lee Wade. Wade is being sought in connection to the injury of an Alabama state trooper and is believed to be a serious risk to the public. Wade was last seen on November 19, 2021 at approximately 11:45 p.m. at Alabama Highway 28 and I-2059 in Livingston, Alabama. If you have any information regarding the location of Randy Lee Wade, please contact the State Bureau of Investigation at 334-676-7250 or call 911. The civil authorities have issued an unvalid until 01:12 p.m. for the following counties in Alabama. All call/earn.
Thanks for listening to WDFA The Blizzard. We are currently conducting an automatic weekly test of the emergency alert system. Please stand by. The preceding set of tones were an automated weekly test of the emergency alert system on WDFA. This test is conducted every Saturday at 12 p.m. in coordination with the Olive Branch Weekly Siren Test. WDFA serves the Memphis metropolitan area, as well as the entire United States via IPAWS Common Alert Protocol and other portions of the United States via the Internet Alert Relay Network. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. We now return to regular programming.